Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this all-time favorite veg starter, that is Paneer Nuggets. This is loved by everyone in this world. All the ingredient details is given in the description box. So let's start cooking. First add paneer cubes into a bowl. Add some crushed ginger, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, garam masala, and pepper powder. Add some chopped coriander leaves and half lemon juice. Mix everything really well until the paneer cubes are well coated with the masala. Now keep this in fridge for half an hour to get it marinated. Now let's prepare a slurry with cornflour, all-purpose flour and pepper powder. Add some water and make a smooth batter. Now after half an hour, take out the paneer cubes, dip them in slurry and roll in breadcrumbs. If possible, coat the paneer cubes in breadcrumbs 2 times. Once all the paneer cubes are ready to be fried, let's heat some oil and add the paneer cubes into a medium heat oil. Mix them in between so that all the sides are equally fried. Once it turns into beautiful golden brown color like this, take it out into a kitchen towel and serve it with some coriander leaves. This is a perfectly cooked paneer nuggets with a soft and chewy inside with a crispy and crunchy texture outside. This is a perfect veg starter for any meal, so definitely try this recipe at home. And give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. You can watch more videos from our channel GreyPot. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notifications.